John, you wanted to give me this. What is it? That's your question for President Ford.
But I'm working on my question for President Ford.
Well, this is the one with an email for you.
What has been your favorite parade?
Oh, no context.
I can ask the president any damn thing I want. It's my right. I'll make the Bonds Committee.
Well, I'll take really good care of it, and I'll bring it back as soon as I possibly can.
Honey?
No. Eric, a man has to stand up and be heard. I will not sit quietly by while everything is taken away from me. They took my job, my stability. Now they want to take away my right to free speech.
Toyota gets great mileage.
Where's the America that I knew was a boy? Meow. Where? You tell me